welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn all about our Instagram profile and how to get that set up. So you find that right here. We went through all of these in the last video. It is the one with your picture. So we'll go ahead and click that, and I'm going to click Edit Profile. Now right here, you can change your name. I would recommend changing it to either your business name or type what you do. In my case, I'm a jeweler, but I would want to type in what kind of jewelry, that kind of thing. Your username right here, you can change that. Most definitely add your website, because that's where people are going to click. If people ask you in comments, what's your website? Where can I go find your stuff? Send them there. Tell them link in bio. And then here's your bio. This is me. You're going to want to use a very descriptive and short bio. You don't get much space, but you want to utilize it to the best you possibly can. Let these people know what you do and what you're going to provide. Business tools, we'll get into that later. You can put your gender in if you want. Okay, we'll go ahead and click done. Well, we'll put the website in just so you can see how that shows up. Oops. Okay. So as you see here, like, they can click that right from the app and it's going to take them to the website. So there we go. There's my website. All right, so right here, we don't have our first post, so let's go ahead and do our first post. I'm gonna click that plus button. We'll go ahead and just use that first picture. Down here, you can edit with filters. You can make some adjustments. I'm just going to leave it alone. But you can also go in here and adjust this way, adjust your brightness. Oh, that looks nice. We'll keep it like that. You get the picture. And we'll click next. All right, hello, this is me. Now, I'll do a separate video on picking the right hashtags, but for now, we're just gonna show you how to get your first post up. All right. Also over here, if you have other Instagram accounts, you can post to all the other accounts, which makes that super helpful. You can also link your Twitter, your Tumblr, your Facebook. This is the #1 time saver ever. You can have this linked directly to your Facebook business page, so every single Instagram post will automatically be published to your Facebook page, and that saves so much time. I've been doing that for years. I couldn't live without it. So over here, you can tag people. You just type in their username, you can tag them. What else? Yeah, that's about it. So we'll click done. Okay. You can also add a location for safety reasons. If this isn't like a really public place, I would not recommend doing it, and most certainly do not do it at your home, because you don't want people showing up at your door. All right, we'll go ahead and click share. Okay, so now we're on our home screen right here, and that's our first post. All right, and we'll go back to our profile. Now, if I click this center button, it brings it down to a different view. And this one right here, when people tag you, those pictures will show up right there. Okay, so next video, we are going to go over the whole hashtag part of Instagram, actually the most interesting part of Instagram, and how you're going to get found. So see you then. Thanks for watching.